Namaste parents. Hi dear children. Welcome back to language class. In today's language class, we shall work with the language practice book. In the language practice book, open page number 8 where we have an activity to trace and write the words ending with OW and O sounds. Dear parents, in the words given in page number 8, wherever we see OW, the sound of W letter remains silent and we read it as O itself. For example, when I say B-O, bo, letter W remains silent and letter O takes its long sound. B-O, bo. I'll read the words for you children. You have to trace them and also you have to read. Kr-o, crow. You can observe. We won't listen to the sound of letter W here in this set of words. Kr-o, crow. O-W sounds as O here. L-o, low. Here also O-W sounds as O. Sl-o, slow. W-E-N-D-O, window. P-E-L-O, pillow. In all these words, wherever we see O-W together, the sound of letter W remains silent and O takes its long sound. Let us move on to the next words. Zero, zero. Here, letter O takes its name as its sound, that is long vowel sound. R-A-D-E-O, radio. Here also, letter O takes the sound O. T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato. Here also, letter O takes its name as its sound. Piano, piano. Here also letter O takes its name as its sound. Hello. O takes its name as its sound. Mango. Here also letter O takes its name as its sound. After completing this activity, let us move on to the next activity where we have to read and write the words. Circle the ones with long O sound. I'll read the words for you children. You have to copy the same in the space provided. Bl-o, blow. Boost, boost. Bond, bond. Boil, boil. B-E-L-O, below. Brown, brown. Read the words and we have to recognize in which words we get long O sound. They are bl-o, blow and b-e-l-o, below. These are the two words where we get long O sounds. Read the words and write the same in the space provided. After completing this, let us move on to page number 9. In page number 9, we have an activity to answer the questions. The first question is, what is this? Children, can you recognize what is this? Yes, it is bow and arrow. Let us write it. B-O, bow and arrow. Let us see what is the next picture. It is a boat. The question is, what is this? It is a boat. After answering the questions, let us move on to the next activity where we have to change the first letter and write a rhyming word. Change the first letter and write a rhyming word. Children, here we have few words. As a hint, you can take the help of this box to write the rhyming words for the given words. The first word is goat, boat, coat and moat. Here the space provided is Not sufficient to write all the 3 words for your child. Let the child write 1 or 2 here and the remaining in the notebook. I have written all the 3, but it may be difficult for the child to write all the 3 words here. Let the child write 1 or 2 in the textbook and the remaining in the notebook. Bone. The next word is bone. For the word bone, we have cone, tone and phone. As I've told you earlier, we can write 1 or 2 words here and the remaining in the 4-line notebook. Gold. For the word gold, we have fold, cold and hold. 3 words as the rhyming word. I'll choose cold here. Let the child write all the given rhyming words in 4-line notebook. Foe. For the word foe, do, toe are the rhyming words given. I'll choose toe. Hope, rope, cope are the rhyming words. I'll choose rope. Toll. For the word toll, pole, roll and troll are the rhyming words. I'll choose the word pole here. Children, as more than 1 rhyming words are given in the hint box, you can write the same activity in your 4-line book also. After completing this, let us move on to the next activity where we have to read and write the words. Circle the ones with long O sound. Shadow, it has long vowel sound. Long O sound. Sh and O. Shock, it doesn't have long sound. Shout, it doesn't have long sound. Shop, it doesn't have long sound. Shoal, it has long sound. Shoot, it doesn't have long sound. Children, you have to read the words and circle the 2 words with long O sound and copy the same words in the 4-line provided. Dear parents, kindly help your child to learn the concept given in page number 8 and 9. Thank you.